Hi, Bean Beauties. Dee Dee Bean here. How are you doing today? Today, I do have a haul for y'all. I have three bags to show you. One's kind of a classic bag, one's definitely a trending bag, and one is definitely a Dee Dee bag. And I'm hoping that I like all three of them and I'll keep all three of them. Alrighty, if you're interested in any of that, then come on back and let's get into it. Hi, Bean Beauties. Welcome back. Welcome back. Thank you so much for being here today. Before we get started on our topic today, I definitely want to do an acknowledgement of a couple of little gifts that I got. This is a shout out that's going out to Lori from Smiling Cats Couture. If you are not a member of her channel yet, I have not subscribed, or if you don't know her channel, please head over. I will link it down in the description box, and here's a picture up here of what her channel page looks like. She's a sweetheart. She is a huge Louis Vuitton Murakami collector. She has a huge collection. She also likes other things too, and she's been letting us in on all of those things as well too. Now her husband, who is Rob from Poor Man Luxury, I'll put his channel up here. And if you have not been to his channel either, please go over and visit his channel, subscribe, likes, send them both Beanbeauti love, and check out what their channels are all about. He has a channel all about from a men's point of view, and he normally dabbles in Coach men's bags. Now, he recently had a vlog sale. I think I bought 3, maybe 4 bags from him. I'm not sure. He sold them at great prices. And I decided I wanted to see if they would fit my husband's work lifestyle, or maybe even my son's life work style. So we're going to be going through those here in the next couple of months to see what kind of fits them. I'm letting you all know about that because somehow in the mix-up of things, Lori sent me the wrong bag, and so I sent it back to where it needed to go. She forwarded on the correct bag to me, and it really was not a big deal. She reimbursed me the shipping like really quickly. So it was not a big deal or anything like that. But she felt compelled to send me a thank you gift because that's just how Lori is. She's just a sweetheart. So the thank you gifts came in a box, and in the box came these 2 bags. And in this bag right here, and it's so cute. See what it looks like. Nice little leopard bag. And it was this shirt that I have on. Isn't it cute? She definitely knows my style. She definitely knows what I like. She definitely clicks off that box. Prior, for a birthday gift, she also had given me this necklace, and this shirt is from Torrid. So if you're looking for it, I'll try to link it. I'm not sure if I can YouTube link it. If not, I'll try to at least put the name of the store in the description box for y'all. She also, in this little box, she sent me a card, and the card is a really sweet little card. They're little squirrels, because her and I squirrel a lot. We squirrel a lot. We both say that all the time. But she said, Dee Dee, here's a little something for helping me fix my mix-up. Thank you so much for being such a kind friend, Lori. I'm like, Lori's a kind friend. I'm just doing what was right. But I'm so grateful to her. So like I said, she gave me this shirt, and in here was a little something else in here. And I decided that I'm going to wait and completely open this up with y'all. And these are earrings to match the necklace. I'm like, okay, she's got me all set up already. So let's put these on. So what I'll do is I'll put these on, and then I'll be right back, okay? Okay, how's that look? Can y'all see? I'll try to zoom it in for y'all. And it goes great with the necklace. So now I've got a suite going on here. So thank you so much, Lori. I greatly appreciate it. Totally was not necessary. I would have taken care of it. No problems, no questions asked. But I greatly appreciate your generosity. And I adore the blouse and the earrings and the necklace. So thank you so much. All right, so let's get back to the topic at hand. Let's get to the first unboxing. Actually, it's a reveal. This one I got when it went on super sale on Amazon. I might have posted it. I know I posted it in my LTK shop. I might have posted it in the post, and I decided to go ahead and grab it. So when I shared it with y'all, I decided to grab it because I loved the East-West bag, and I had my eye on these last summer. However, they were only going to be a crook of the arm bag. They were not going to be a bag that I could put on my shoulders. But now, with losing weight, ta-da, with a little bit of help, they work. So when I discovered that and I measured things out and I knew that that was going to happen, then I definitely was happy about grabbing this bag. So this is the bag that I said is a little bit more classic. It's the nice little blue here. I'll try to put up on the screen what the color is and how much I paid for this bag. I like the charm here. I love it hanging and dangling. I love that that little, they look like dice. It's not so obvious. The MK is not so obvious, at least not to me. This hook here, if I want to take it off, I can use this hook. This is a nice hardy hook, comes off really easy, and I'll be able to use this because this slips on and off really easy on other bags. So just a really, really neat addition to this bag. So this is bag number 1 that I got, and this is the oh my gosh, what is the name of this bag? It's the Michael Kors. It's the Hamilton. And very classic bag. It's been around for a while. Let me see, does it have the name of the color? French blue. This is French blue. Beautiful, beautiful color. So I grab this bag. Let me get the next bag. Okay, the next reveal is this one here. This is the Trendy bag. Okay, so this definitely, I saw a lot of the women opening this and I was just like, oh, I just liked how it looked. And I was like, okay, I'm not, you know, the fringe reminds me of when I was young, and I've been dabbling in the fringe. The fringe is definitely a trend. I did save this to show y'all how well all these bags were packaged, very, very well. But I wanted to show you how the fringe was packaged. It's in this little contraption that they built here. And you open it up, and they have this taped together, and you have to just loosen it up, and then it all comes apart. Ta-da! And so this color is pistachio, and it's a Hamilton Moderne, and the color pistachio. And once again, I just think that it's, you know, definitely trendy, definitely a fun bag. This is a suede bag. And this one, for some reason, the shoulder, it feels a little bit shorter than this shoulder, but it's still wearable, not a problem. But it is suede, and right now, suede is being worn all year round. So I definitely like that. So this is bag number 2. Let's get bag number 3. So bag number 3 is in this box. Ta-da! So I did make myself a note. Let's see what did I write. It's been a while since I've purchased all these bags. I didn't buy them all at the same time, and I didn't set out to do a collection video. But y'all know me already, that now it's like, if I like a bag, I want them in the set of 3 so I can have a collection. I know, I'm crazy, I know. Because blank is your spirit animal. LMAO. So let's see, those of you who know will know. If not, you'll find out right now. This, since I didn't have enough points yet, because you start over with the points, accumulating points. So I bought this at the beginning of the year. So my points I had already were done. So I had to pay for this. But I think the packaging And this one came directly from the Michael Kors website. This one came from Amazon. And this one came from the Michael Kors website as well, too, I believe. I will put up on the screen, too. So this bag, nice and packaged. Oh, look, and it even has like a little dust bag over it. Okay. I have not peeked at this bag. Ooh. Okay, let me see if I can get this out. Okay. So, yeah, so it has this like little dust bag that you, oh, there you go. Ta-da! Did I say it's a DU bag or did I say it was a DU bag? All right, let me unwrap this and then I'll be right back. Well, before I unwrap it, I want to show y'all. See how all of this, there was some stuff that already fell out. It has all of this is covered. This is covered. It has coverage in the back. And I'll come back and tell you a little bit more about this bag. Okay, so I wanted to save this part for y'all here. So these handles go down. The bag is calf hair, so it's real leather and it's calf hair. The inside of the bag is where they save money on it because it is polyester lining on the inside. It does have a zipper bag, a zipper closure, and the lock here is it does have MK on one side, and here it's a plain on the other side. And it is a functioning lock, but there's not a key. You just pull down on it, open it up. But I wanted to show y'all. See, they definitely made sure and protected the leather, protected the hardware. So definitely are not sparing any expense when it comes to the packaging. And they also put some cardboard here, and there was some on the back as well too. So you can put these back. Okay, there we go. So it took me a little while to go ahead and get this bag. This bag did go on sale eventually, but it took a while, and it wasn't as great of sale as this one or that one. But it does fit me as well. I thought I'd wait and show y'all once I get here. But this is definitely a Dee Dee bag. The East-West bags are just what I'm liking. I've got my two Empire bags. The difference between those are a lot of times the handles and the size and things. And maybe if y'all want, I can do a comparison between this and the Empire 34, the carry-all. It's zippered. It has all of this packaging on the inside. So much packaging. I mean, it's just like Coach. They definitely want to take care of everything. The corners, everything is taken care of. And then here is the inside. It has one slip pocket back here. And then on this side, it has another slip pocket over here. Also has packaging in it, plus some paperwork, Michael Kors paperwork as well too. So the inside of this is polyester. And I don't know if the inside that lines it, if that is leather or if it is polyurethane. I don't know. But all of the rest of the bag is leather, and this is calf hair. Calf hair. So I was happy for that. So like I said, I'm trying still to be picky. It's like trying to make sure that I'm getting the better part of the line and being a little bit more selective. So I really am excited to use these bags. Okay, let me put these down and let's come back in just a second. So anyway, you let me know what you think. Did you like my bags? I have my trendy bag. I have my classic bag. And I have my Dee Dee bag. So you tell me which bag do y'all like? Did y'all like the most? And did any of these surprise you? Did me getting these surprise you? You know, let me know if you thought about these or if I'm just the crazy one out here. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, thank you so much. I'm so close to 2K. I hit 1900. Thank you very, very much. I think I'm at 1905. Thank you so much. So I just need a few more. Hopefully, here pretty soon I hit 2K. All right, Bean Beauties, don't forget, like, hype, subscribe, all that wonderful stuff. Thank you so much for coming by. Love y'all. Bye bye.